morning students. Students, in this video we will solve few questions of exercise 8.3, right, using the formula of compound interest. Right now this is the first question of your exercise, question 1a part. Question is, calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. Now principal is given to us. Principal here is rupees 10,800. Time is 3 years. Time is 3 years. Rate is 12.5% per annum. Right? Now we know the formula for amount. Amount is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 raised to per annum. In the previous video I explained you that N stands for number of years, P is principal and R is rate. Principal is 10,800. Rate is 12 by 2, that is 25 by 2% per annum. So this is 25 by 2 into 100 raised to per 3. 25 4 is 100. So this comes out to be 10,800 into 4 to the 8. This comes out to be 9 by 4 raised to per 3. This is 10,800 into 9 by 4 into 9 by, sorry, it's not 4, it's 8. 4 to the 8. So 8 here, 9 by 8 into 9 by 8, right? Now we'll do the cutting. Cutting करेंगे इसमें हम. So 8, 1 by 8, 9, 10, 3 are 5, 0. Right? So this comes out to be 1350 into 9 into 9 9 is 81. 81 into 9 is 729 upon 64. Now when you will multiply these numbers, you will get 98,400, 9,84,150 upon 64, and further it will come out to be 15,377.34. Now this is your amount, right? This is your amount. In order to get compound interest, we know the formula. Compound interest is amount minus principal. Your amount is 15,377.34 and the principal is 10,800. तो आप इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे, क्या आ जाएगा? P4 and minus 7, 7, 4. This comes out to be 44,577.34. This question was related to compounded annually. Now we'll do one example of compounded semi-annually. Yes, बच्चे, now next is your C part. We have to find the amount and compound interest in this question also. Principal is 62,500. Time is 1.5 years. Rate is 8% per annum compounded half yearly, right? So that means principal here is 62,500. Time is 3 by 2 years. Whenever half yearly is given to us, we have to multiply the time by 2. So this comes out to be 3 half years. 3 half years, and will divide rate by 2 and it becomes 4% half yearly. 4% per annum compounded half yearly, right? So the only difference is, in case of half yearly you have to multiply the time by 2 and you have to divide the rate by 2, and rest of the concept will remain same. Now your principal is your rate is 4% and your time is 3. 4 ones are 4, 425. So this is 62,500 into 26 by 25 raised to power 3. This is 625 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Now we know 25 25s are 625, 25 ones are and 25 fours are. So this is 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. Now 4 into 26, 6 4s are 24, 4 2s are 8, this comes out to be 104. 26 into 26 is 676. When you will multiply these numbers, you will get 70,304. 70,304. Now this is your amount. Next you have to find the compound interest. That is amount minus principal. Amount is 70,304 and principal is 62,500. When you subtract the two, you will get 4078. I hope it is clear to everyone.